everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to do a Christmas decor makeover of the sitting area in my bedroom, and I'm not quite sure yet what couch I want to purchase in order to update or replace this older couch I've had for about 15 years. So in the interim, I'm simply going to use a couch cover to make the couch be the color that I want, which is an off-white or ivory. That color will better match two chairs that I have purchased for my sitting area. First and foremost, if you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you very much for your continued support. If you are not a subscriber, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button so you too will be notified of future video uploads from me. In this video, I simply shopped my home in order to acquire or pick out the pieces in which I'm going to use to turn this area into a romantic sanctuary. And with that, big reveal is up next. For watching, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment and share. This is Freddie King's Home Decor, and until next time,